Trash. 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 Just kidding, Pancake. Oh. Trash. 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 Hey. Yeah. Happy Sunday. I hope the Browns are beating the Ravens right now. They're probably not, because that's not what Clevelanders do. We don't win. Hi. Welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. And below that is my website. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers. Add a .com to it and go there at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time to find all the shoes from this here beater box that we're opening for sale. And remember, tax and domestic shipping in the US is always included. So the price that you see is the price that you pay. Welcome to Beater Box Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. See what I did there? I took two things and put them together like a sandwich. I really love sandwiches. Hi, pals! Like I said, Beater Box Sunday. Sundays I usually keep the cheaper boxes going, so this one is definitely cheaper than Fridays. This one is from Supremacy, just like every other box I get. Well, like 99.9% of the other boxes I get. This one costs $425 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois. So the butcher at the local Jewel-Asco, his name is Tam. We're talking. He looks me dead in the eyes and said, I know the predicament you're in right now. I've been in it myself. It's real hard to provide enough Italian beefs for the good people of Chicago, but I know what to do here. Pull your 1986 Buick LeSabre around back and I'll load all the beef for your Italian beefs into the back of your car and we'll fix this problem together like a team, specifically the 1985 Bears. For a grand total of $465. Plot twist. These boxes are priced to make you money, so go ahead and follow along with Clarence. That's the counter. It's going to be letting you know how much each shoe that I pull out of here is worth on the secondary market, and then we're going to break it down at the end to show you how much I paid versus the box's actual value on the secondary market. How many times can I say secondary market? And also keep in mind that the prices that pop up on your screen and give the Family Feud sound, that's not how much the shoes are for sale. That's just how much they're worth on the secondary market. Sometimes it's unbelievable, but hey, that's just how the market is. So let's open the box and see what's going on in here. Friday's box was weird. I had no idea that those static V2 700s were worth that much. Like, I'm shocked. I had no idea. But that just goes to show you how much I know about Adidas, which is very little. And sneakers in general, just very little. Looks like there's one loose pair. It is a Jordan 13. Let's see what size it is. Ooh, it's a size 13. This is a worn pair, but really good shape. This is the Gray Toe Air Jordan 13. You guys can see it's it's called Gray Toe because of obvious reasons right there. But there's very little creasing on the toe box, which is very cool. This shoe in general is in really great shape. I mean, you can see Jumpman is, can you? I don't even know. Jumpman is fully intact in there. I don't know if you can see, but hey, whatever. Just no box. I mean, there's very little wear on the bottom. Like, there's no heel drag or anything. Pretty solid shape. I don't know how much these go for, but I mean, 13s are really popular. I personally don't like 13s myself, but for as good a shape and the colorway, this is probably a good get. So size 13, Gray Toe 13s, no box, first shoe out. Let's keep going. Looks like we got a pair of grade schools here. This is an Air Jordan 6 Retro Low 7.5 Youth. Ooh, the lace locks are chrome. That's kind of cool. So I don't know, what does it say on the box? It says Sun Blush. So these might be called Sun Blush. This is an Air Jordan 7 Low. You can see the, I said it in the before, but it's a chrome lace lock, which is pretty cool. Yeah, I mean, I think the Sun Blush is definitely the outsole. It's a worn pair, very lightly worn though. I mean, it's a kid's shoe, Probably not worth much, but 7.5 youth Air Jordan 6 Retro Low GG. The colorway is called Sun Blush according to the box. Okay, got another grade school pair. This is an Air Jordan 4 Retro GG in an 8 youth. These aren't dead stock, but dang, there's like no wear on them. So it is an Air Jordan 4. It's got this like denim upper, pink accents to it. Same thing, a little bit of Jumpman left still. There's no star loss on this, which is really, really cool. So this reminds me of the LeBron 10 that I got from my buddy John. It's called denim. So maybe these are called denim. It's like basically the same colorway, but these are in really great shape. I just don't know or think there is much of a mark on them. So there you go. Jordan 4 Retro and a size 8 youth. Boom. Ha, neat. I am not a fan of denim as an upper on shoes. I don't know why, but I just am not. We got a Foamposite box. You can tell because look at the box. Flappy, flappy, flappy. It's a size 13 Air Foamposite Pro. Ha, okay. This is a worn pair. This is the Pearl Foamposite Pro. The only reason I know that is because I've gotten a pair of them before. Doesn't look like there's much scuffing on the outsole, or on the upper, but I have to look at it closer. But a little bit of wear on the bottoms, a little discoloration. Definitely a classic Foamposite. It's a nice subtle colorway. A lot of Foamposites are really loud. So there you go. Size 13 Foamposite Pro Pearl. This is a pretty good $425 box if I do say so myself so far. The rest are Jumpman boxes. We got a size 13 Air Jordan 13 Retro. Ooh, these are lightly worn and in the same condition as those gray toes. This is the Dirty Bread colorway. It's basically a Bread 13 without a white midsole and no 3M on it. So there you go. Very lightly worn. Outsole's in great shape. No drag, just need a quick cleanup, a little bit of toe box creasing. A lot of people love this colorway, and I don't blame them. I'm not a fan of mostly black shoes because I just think they look weird on my feet. It's got the original box. Looks like they bought them at Flight Club. So there you go, 13 Dirty Breads. Got two more in here. Let's grab this. This box is a little bit beat up. It's got some tape on it. It doesn't even have a label on it, really. Ooh, this is an Air Jordan. I don't know why, but I really love the Air Jordan 16. This is the, I think they're called Midnight Navy Air Jordan 16. Patent leather toe box. Bit of creasing, though. The nice thing about 16s is you can take this little cape thing off, and it's actually a really slick looking silhouette. I do not mind 16s at all. Personally, don't have 16s myself because they probably look really dumb on my feet, but these are nice to look at. A little bit of outsole wear and a little bit of discoloration. These are from like 2016, I think. Yeah, these are relatively new. So 16s, I mean, I like them. I don't know how much this colorway is gonna go for, but there you go. Size 10.5, Jordan 16 Midnight Navy in a replacement box. Cool shoe. I doubt there's much value in there though. And we got one more. It looks like a 6 or a 5. It's a size 10 Air Jordan 5. So we got a pretty lightly worn pair, slightly discolored white metallics from like 2014 or something, I think. Yeah, 2014, 2015. Really clean colorway. Not a fan of all white shoes myself. A little bit of outsole wear, slight discoloration. Most of the discoloration looks to be on the cages, especially the tongue cage right there. But it's got the typical 3M tongue. Just a really clean all white Jordan 5. The 23 on the heel there too. Yeah, it's got the lace locks, original box. These are in great shape. Size 10 is pretty decent too. So there you go. That's your last shoe out. Size 10 Jordan 5 metallic white metallic, whatever you call it. And that is your $425 Soul Supremacy beater box. This is pretty standard. I kind of like this box. Let's go ahead and try and give it a grade. For you new folks, here's how you get a grade. Condition, sizes, value. Let's do condition first. There are 7 pairs of sneakers in this $425 Soul Supremacy beater box. None of them are dead stock. 2 of them have replacement boxes, but overall they're in pretty solid shape. Condition, we'll say about a C+. Sizes. We have 13, 7.5 youth, 8.5 youth, 13, 13, 10.5, and 10. Pretty 13 heavy box. 13's a pretty challenging size to sell. Sizes overall are not too great. We'll say about a C. Value. It's a $425 box. This is the kind of stuff you're gonna find in low value boxes. But the return on these boxes is usually pretty good. Because how Soul Supremacy values them, it really gives you or myself as the seller a lot of leeway to kind of mess around with the prices a little bit. So negotiation is pretty simple with these low tier boxes. Overall though, I think this box is okay in terms of value. So value, I'm gonna say about a B-. So with the grade of C+ for condition, the grade of C for sizes, and the grade of B- minus for value, this $425 Soul Supremacy Beater box gets a letter grade of C+. So I gave this box a letter grade of C+, and then I said like, yeah, these boxes are really good, then gave it a pretty crappy grade, but let's look at the numbers right now.
Big nose!
This box is okay. It's a standard $425 box. Fun fact about $425, the best box I've ever gotten in terms of return on investment was a $425 box. And it's actually the second box I ever opened on my channel. So if you want to see some vintage SB Mitch, there you go. These shoes, I'm going to clean them up and we're going to put them on the website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That website is called Ransom Note Sneakers. Put a .com at the end of it, just like the joke I said in the beginning of the video.
Not funny.
That's how you can visit the website. And remember, shipping and taxes are always included if you live in the USA. So check that out. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. We'll be back tomorrow with some kind of video. Oh, we'll see what happens. Till then, don't be a curmudgeon. Take care of each other, and I'll see you then. Bye! Go Browns! Beat the Ravens, please!